Right now, this second, someone out there is giving up on a dream you were born to chase. Someone's hitting snooze while you're about to rise. Someone's making excuses, while you're getting ready to prove them all wrong. Yeah, I see you. You've been grinding. Late nights, early mornings, rejections that sting, bills piling up, doubt whispering in your ear. Maybe you're not enough. Sound familiar? Good, because that voice, it's a liar. And today, we shut it down for good. Look, America wasn't built by people who waited for permission. It was built by the doers, the risk takers, the ones who looked fear in the eye and said, "Watch me." You think Elon Musk got his first rocket right? You think Beyoncé nailed her first audition? No. They failed. They bled. They got back up and kept swinging. And that's what you're doing right now. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, every time you show up when no one's watching, you're not just building a future, you're becoming unstoppable. So here's your mission today. Stop waiting for someday. Someday is a myth sold to people who quit. Stop comparing your chapter 3 to someone else's highlight reel. Your journey? It's yours alone, and it's valid. Stop asking, "Am I ready?" You'll never feel 100% ready. Do it scared, do it tired, do it anyway. Because greatness isn't reserved for the chosen few. It's claimed by the ones who refuse to stay down. And that's you. I don't care if you failed yesterday. I don't care if your bank account's low or your confidence is lower. What matters is what you do next. Right now, in this moment, you have a choice. Stay in the story they wrote for you, or grab the pen and write your own damn legacy. This is your sign. This is your spark. This is your time. So stand up. Square your shoulders. Look in the mirror and say it. I am enough. I am ready. I am undefeated. Because the world needs your fire, your ideas, your voice. Don't you dare dim your light to make others comfortable. Go build, go create, go leave a dent in the universe. They'll remember your name. If this hit you, smash that like button. Subscribe, because every week we're turning dreamers into doers. And drop a comment below. I'm in. Let's build a tribe of warriors who refuse to quit. Now go. Your future is waiting. And it's glorious.